Hey guys, welcome to another Told Home Quick Tip. Well, yesterday I guess I was in too bit of a hurry and I left the job site. And I don't like to start tile, then stop it and then start it the next day. But we got like 700 square feet here, so obviously I had to stop and then come back the next day. And I guess I was in a hurry and I forgot to put the clips in. So every time you're using these clips, let me just switch you around there. Every time you're using these clips, okay, this is with the wedge. You can see over here. The little clips and the wedge. I forget who makes these. RLS. And then you've got these little gems, right? Okay, you can see what the deal right there. So every time you're using them, and you want to start the next day, if you have to leave it, I like to have all these things in place so that the next day they're already there. But I forgot last night, so here's what happened. I had a whole row of these that were missing. So to get these back in, is you just take your flush cut tool, like here, and you just go in. What I like to do is go in, first of all, to the underside of the tile. I'll go right in there, and then I'll go against the floor. Because obviously this blade right there, and this little gem here, they're different thicknesses, right? So you need to make a fair amount of space in there. And once you dig it out nicely, these guys will fit right in there, beautiful, and then you can start tiling again. But also remember, they gotta be super tight against the tile in order to keep the grout lines consistent, right? If it's sticking out here a little bit and it's dried, now you just buggered up your grout line. All right, talk to you later.